Hi guys. So we also had a couple of other trades. I think most importantly the Euro GBP. So this trade was just a mess. This trade was really driving me crazy, and ended up I think taking some losses, and I think I took two losses on this trade. So I think the last time we discussed this market, we were right here, somewhere around here. Yeah, I think somewhere around here when we discussed, and this was my forecast. So I went in and I put my pending stop right there, took entry, and then the market gave me some profits, but then moved up. So when I got these profits, I went to break even. No, not even break even. I went to half the risk. I put half the risk on the table, and then I got stopped out. After getting stopped out, I saw this trend line here, but I didn't draw it quite accurately. What happened here? I saw this trend line. How did I draw this trend line? Like this. Okay, I'm not sure. Can't remember. But I saw this trend line like that. And then I think I probably did something like this. Yeah, I did something like this. So the trend line, put an entry, and then stop loss right above here. I feel even on this trade I only got taken out by the spread, because I think my stop loss was somewhere there. So the spreads took me out, and then I took another loser. So I was like, you know what, I'm done with this trade. It's just doing a bunch of nonsense. It's gonna take time to move to the downside. So but now it's finally pouring down, but I took two L's there. But good enough. I think here I only risked 0.5%. I only put, then I also lost 0.5% here, so the losses were not heavy. And in addition to this, I also took another trade. So the trade that I took was the USD JPY trade. So here you can see, I think as well the logic was the same. We had this uptrending market, so we had this uptrending and then a strong push. So it looks like we are now changing character and now starting to pivot to the downside. And then I was expecting a little bit move up and then a continuation to the downside, but we never got that. Instead, right here, why I expected the move down, and why did I expect the move down at that particular point, was because of this level here. Was because of that level there on the 1 hour. So I expected a move to the downside there, and we did get the move, because I drew a trend line right here, started right here, across, do a trend line, and once we got a break, and then because it was Friday, I waited for the market close, and on the open the market created this huge gap. The market created this huge gap, and I knew, guys, gaps will always fill. So that's one thing that you must always understand in trading. Gaps will always fill. So I put my entry right in between the gap, stop loss above, and then I got tagged in, and once I got 1-to-1, I moved my stop loss to break even, and the market took me out. So this was just a break even trade, nothing hectic there. So yeah, so that's just what has been happening. So one big winner, two losses on euro pound, and then a break even on USD JPY. So if we can also look on MT5, you can see this is the JPY trade. Yes, oh no, this is not responding. What's happening now? Okay, this is the, okay, so these are the two £2 trades. Okay, either way, the screen MT5 is not responding, so I'm not gonna dwell too much on that. But you can see this was actually here it took 3 trades, but one of these was a combination, so the risk is the same. So this one, these are the two Euro GBP trades with the Euro USD. No, I think I spoke about the Euro USD and then the USD JPY. So I think those are the trades that I took, and currently we have this Euro USD trade running. We'll just make a quick breakdown on this trade as well.